Here it is, June 3, 2022. Time is 5:21 a.m. Mountain Standard Time. We're in the 32nd week of major construction. I'm just been taking a recon of the area since I was down here shooting the concrete pouring yesterday. So I'm just going to shoot some short stuff here. Back over in the distance there, another cement truck is in today doing some concrete pouring. So let me just scan around here for a second. This really hasn't changed that much since I've been shooting back into the last days of May. This is all about the same, at least to my eye. There could be some stuff done, but I'm going to move up to my stair perch here and then shoot across over to the east bowl there. All right. Okay, I've climbed up on my stair perch. I'm shooting across to the east bowl, but from where I'm standing now, can't really see what the cement truck is doing except pouring something back over there by the library. So I'm not going to shoot very much of this. I was hoping to have a better view here, but building's in my way. So I'm just going to stop this here and I'm going to move on around over by AZ 88, I think, and just shoot a little bit over there, see if I can get any kind of a viewpoint over there that improves on this. Alrighty. Right, here I am over at AZ 88 Patio, but the vantage point here is just about as bad as it was on the staircase. Trees and dirt piles in the way, so they are pouring concrete back over there, but I can't really get a good view of it from here. So I'm just going to pan around here real quick. Like I say, this hasn't changed a whole lot. So stuff going on down here. They're back over there by the little Marshall Gardens area right there. Behind that backhoe, doing some stuff, but again, my vision here is obscured, so I'm just going to cut this short here and move on around. I scouted over it by the Old Town Tavern. I see what the plan is for the weekend here till they can get into next week, so we'll go investigate that. But we'll call this good right now. All right, here I am down at Brown and Main. Gonna shoot over the fence here. You can see back over here, they still have the fence on this side of the planter. So I don't know if they're going to move that back or not. You can also see back over here on this side, they've pulled the forms off of the planter areas here, so we can see the planter areas are all set up there. They've been poured when we were here yesterday morning. So this is what we got down in the West Paseo here. Time is now 5:34 a.m. So I'm going to walk back over here and shoot down through the Old Town Tavern area. See what we can see back over there. Alrighty. See, we have the finished sidewalk here. They did have some coverings over it that protected it yesterday, but they pulled those all off here in the last half an hour. So got the sidewalk all ready to go there. So over here around the banyan tree. This will eventually be its own planter area here that'll wrap around. We made a temporary little fill here so that you can enter into the bar area right here. Right there, so watch your step on that. Okay, I'm going to take a walk down through here. This will be my inaugural walk down through the Old Town Tavern here. See what we got. I guess they're not going to move the fence back today. So this will sort of be what you got to walk down through here. Patio furniture will come back, I think, today. And then this will be like this till they come and pour here. So what you'll do right here, this will just end right here like that currently, so you have to be careful there. But then what you'll do here to enter the Old Town Tavern from the back parking lot is you'll just come through this little space here that's between the just walk through this little space here they have. Come in like this. So be walking out, and then you have access to the back parking lot there. So this is the way this is going to work for now. This is what we got. So as you're coming into the Old Town Tavern today, just come down this way. Come through here. They're in the bar. And walk down. See the new area here. Still have access to Brown and Main down there. Currently till things change up, and you can then in the future you'll come down this way and you'll be able to go out here, go out there, and this will be how you'll come into the bar in the future. The gate will be open, there'll be the full open space there, and then you can walk right in here and down into the bar. So Old Town Tavern has benefited from getting some more space here for the bar, so that should be neat. See how that unfolds. Alright, so I'm going to walk back around here, and you walk out through here. A little bit more of a narrow opening there, but and you're back out into the parking lot here. So we'll have to come in and get the furniture put back today, if that's the goal. And so here's what we got currently. All right, I'm going to end this here and then move on up to the West Paseo, and then that may be it today. I just wanted to come down here and sort of wrap up the whole sidewalk issue, patio issue. So this is what we got. Alrighty. All right, here I am coming up on the West Paseo proper. Time is now 5:40 a.m. Mountain Standard Time. So we just sort of get a general look at what's going on here, and then I'll wrap this up for today. Had 2 long shoots. I'll just make this one sort of short. That's what we got going on down in the West Paseo. Looks like they are doing some prep over here to begin forming up the ground for the set up the forms for the steps there. They got kind of a little embankment across there that would represent maybe the step area, future step area. So they're starting to level out the ground here. They just got to reduce this dirt pile out of here. And then right here, about where that dirt pile is, will be Winfield Scott statue. Will come back there. So West Paseo's coming along. Got those planters over by the Bischoff building fixed up. Forms are off of those. So I think I'm gonna wrap this up here today. Spent enough time down here this week. This will just be a little bit of a end cap on the week right here. So I'm gonna wrap this up here, call it good, and then next week I'll come back, see what's going on down here, see if they get that end of the sidewalk fixed up and poured up so that's a little bit safer, a little more workable for the bar. So let me finish off over here by the schoolhouse. There's a schoolhouse little museum. Call this good for the day. All right.